Now, this is my favorite chart or slide of the whole presentation. We're just going to have a little bit of fun here. Let's say you sit through today's presentation, you say, Pete, this franchising stuff, this isn't for me. I'm a corporate person. I just want to keep my corporate job. And that would be represented in the corporate executive salary column, where I'm making $200,000 each year. And over a course of 5 years, I get a raise. Each year, I'm lucky enough to get a raise. And after 5 years, I've got a salary of $240,000. But at any point in time, the company can push me out. There's no loyalty, right? And my friend would say, you're renting that income, right? At any point, it can go away. Now, let's say you go through today's webinar and you say, Pete, I'm done with the corporate world. I just want to leave, and I want to do executive model where I'm just focusing on that. I'm leaving my corporate job, and that would be the big box in the center. And in fact, I'm going to open up 3 locations. So the first year, you just get the first location open. You don't take any salary. Year 2, you take salary $50,000 from the first location. You just get the second location. Year 3, you take $75,000 salary from the first, $50,000 from the second, and you just get your third location. Now it gets interesting. Year 4, you take $100,000 salary from the first, $75,000 from the second, $50,000 from the third. Now you're pretty much on top of what you made. And then it gets very exciting. Year 5, where you take $125,000 from the first, $100,000 from the second, $75,000 from the third. You have an income of $300,000, plus you built an asset that you could potentially sell for a multiple. Now, what if you got crazy and you said, Pete, I really like that executive model, semi-absentee? Well, that is represented by the red box. So if you went through today's call, you decided you're going to do semi-absentee, after 5 years, if you had kept that corporate job, you'd still have a salary of $240,000. Could be taken away from you, but at the time you have $240,000. You've built a business that is generating you $300,000 worth of secondary income, and you've built an asset. That is the power of semi-absentee franchise ownership. And again, only you can determine how much time and scale it's going to take you to get there, but this is a great example. All fictitious numbers, but a fun way to kind of show you the power of the executive model semi-absentee.